Alright you guys, we are back to normal this week after our parody of Joshua Weissman, or almost, because I had to shave the beard and my wife didn't let me keep the mustache, so I have to shave it down. What do you guys think? It feels so weird because this skin didn't have seen the light of day in years. So anyway, this is not a barber channel, and this week theme will be octopus. So this week I will do fresh pasta with squid ink. It's gonna be black. And also I will do a nice fresh vibrant pesto with a twist. And of course we will top this with nice grilled octopus. So enough talking and let's cook this!
You're octopus.
I'm an octopus. C'est ridiculous. The first thing you want to do is to boil the octopus in salted water for 1 hour. This way you will not have a rubberish texture. After, start doing the fresh pasta. I am starting it in a bowl so the squid ink don't stain my countertop. You need 2 cups of 00 flour. Make a little wheel in the middle and crack 4 eggs in that wheel. Add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil for a nice shiny texture and a pinch of salt. Put about 12 grams of squid ink or cuttlefish. You can find this in a specialized fish market or even on Amazon. And if you want to skip the pasta making step, you can buy those pasta also on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description for both items. For some obscure reason, Sissy seemed to enjoy raw flour. Hey, we all have our addiction, I guess. Anyway, when working the dough, make sure you flour everything. The dough, the countertop, your hand, the floor, the baby, the dog, the car, the neighbor. Anyway, you get my point. Work that dough for at least 10 minutes so the gluten develop and until you get a nice smooth ball of dough. Put it in plastic film at room temperature. After 30 minutes, cut the pasta dough in 4 equal parts and leave the portion you don't work with in plastic so it doesn't dry out. Now we laminate the dough. The reason we are laminating the dough is to have more texture in the pasta. That way you get the perfect al dente. You need to fold the dough like this 4 to 5 times. Some people do it up to 10 times. For the next part, you need a pasta machine unless you are an old Italian mama who is rolling the dough by hand for over 100 years. Remember to flour everything. The glass and the salt-based style is recommended but not mandatory. Pass the dough in the lowest setting, which is 0, and up to setting number 6, or as you like your pasta. I like them a little bit thick. Now it's time to make the pesto. Use 1 cup of pine nuts or walnuts because pine nuts are expensive, and roast them in the oven for ultimate flavor. And use fresh basil, about 8 cup of uncompressed basil leaf. If my mom was here, she would say, "Don't play with your food." You need the zest of 5 lemons. Yes, 5 lemons.
But 5 lemons seems like a lot. Can I use only 2?
No, it's 5. Stop whining about it. Great 5 cloves of garlic, seasoned with salt and pepper. 3/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and 1 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. The juice of 1 lemon and mix. And again, Sissy with her strange taste of food is eating a lemon. 1 lemon a day keep the doctor away. Close enough. Is it good?
Good.
Do you want to know why it's spicy a little bit? It's because of the garlic.
Yes.
By now, the octopus have boiled for 1 hour. Take the leg in a bowl, cover it with oil, put the juice of 1 lemon, season with salt and pepper. Now the fun part, grilling. First oil your grill so nothing stick, and remember your octopus is in oil. If you don't know what oil and fire do, please stay away from the barbecue. We are looking for a nice char like this. At the very end, it's time to cook the fresh pasta in salted boiling water. Remember, fresh pasta cook really quickly. This take only 1 minute. Then it's time to plate it. Put the pasta, the pesto, the grilled octopus, garnish with basil leaves, small ripe tomato, and a lemon zest. Isn't it the most beautiful thing you've seen today? You wanna taste it?
Yes.
Oh yes! Do you like it?
Yes. That is very good.
Yeah! I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and
See you soon.
see you soon!